Supercat make very high capability off-road vehicles, often used by the military. And I've been working with Supercat for a number of years via some student project to develop a new hybrid version of one of their vehicles.
The all-terrain mobility platform, or the ATMP, is one of the original products that the company designed and built back in the 80s. It's been in service with a number of organisations, predominantly defence, over the last 30 years or so. So we now need to reimagine it as a high-capability vehicle for the 21st century for defence, utility and emergency services use.
So the problem originally was that the vehicle is quite complex, and it went out of service in the early 2000s. But the current drivetrain is now obsolete and overly complicated, too bespoke and too expensive to make.
Hybrid vehicles for military use or off-road use in general, so for emergency, disaster relief, farming, agriculture, etc., is very interesting because it's all about range. And the hybrid vehicle is potentially going to double the range of some of these vehicles.
So the K and T bit of KTP is really important because it is about knowledge transfer from the university, from academia. It should open up new markets to us, but also reinvigorate the market of people looking for that kind of vehicle with increased capability and range. So it should really produce additional revenue for the company over the next few years.
What's really exciting about the project is where vehicles are going nowadays with all the emissions and trying to reduce pollution and everything. So getting into the hybrid and electric vehicle market is definitely the right way for them to go, and in the future it will be what everyone has, no matter what industry you're in.
For me, it's about access to information and new problems, cutting edge problems, and that allows me to deploy some of the techniques and expertise that I've got as a university academic, but in a very real world setting, which is great fun.